Revolutionize your affiliate marketing game. Imagine having a network of high-ranking affiliate sites working for you 24/7, generating passive income while you focus on other aspects of your business or enjoy more free time. Embrace the power of AI to scale your affiliate marketing like never before. Cutting-Edge AI app uses a brand new AI tech that lets you create fully automated affiliate blogs for any topic. Here's how it works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Get your access to this cutting-edge AI-powered affiliate blog builder and log in it. Step 2. Select your desired niche. Either pick from thousands of pre-filled niches inside the app or come up with your own. It can be literally anything. Step 3. With a single click, your site is live. Yes, it's that simple. Then the magic begins as the app creates an entire affiliate blog for you, filled with hundreds of SEO-optimized articles. These are not just any articles. They're designed to rank well on search engines, pulling in a steady flow of free traffic. And when visitors click on your affiliate links inside and make a purchase, you earn commission. It's a seamless process that operates round the clock. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Start building your high-ranking affiliate empire today. Ready to get started with your own AI-powered affiliate blog? Check the below link to get in now.